Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Couple Next Door. I am Sandhya and don't I look pretty today? Because I put a lot of efforts to look like this. I had so much of new makeup with me, so I just couldn't wait to try it. Actually, two of my friends were visiting US and being a makeup junkie, I ordered so much of makeup online and got it delivered to their address in US and they got it for me here in India. So without any shipping charges, I have so much of new makeup with me. Yay! So yes, I ordered all this stuff from two websites, Target and Walmart. Though they were very limited brand option on these websites and the shades I wanted were already out of stock, but still I managed to get me some stuff. And I watched so many Google swatches, YouTube videos to get me right shades. So yes, if you want me to do a video on how to order makeup online, I can do it for you guys. Let me know in the comment section. And so we shall just start. I have all the makeup laid down here in front of me. So one by one, we will get to it. First off, I ordered these cream liners. These are from brand e.l.f. and I ordered 3 of these. One for my sister, one for me and one for my sister-in-law. And these are e.l.f. cream eyeliner in shade black. So next thing which I ordered is this kohl liner from the same brand e.l.f. in the shade black. It's like this pencil. It has sharpener on one end and smudger on other hand. It's jet black in the shade and I have it on my eyes today also. So you can see it's jet black and you can use this smudger like this and create smoky eyes in just seconds, I think. I don't remember the exact price of this one. This was probably around $2 to $3. So yes, at this price it's a great product. Next thing which I have here is lip balms. I ordered quite a lot of them. I ordered 3 of them are from the brand Bird Bee. 2 of these are tinted lip balm in the shade rose. These are always out of stock at Sephora's and at Target and at Walmart. These were like very cheap, so I just ordered 2 of these. And I ordered this one lip balm from brand Dr. Bronner's Naked Organic Lip Balm all-in-one. This had some great reviews online, so I just couldn't stop myself buying this one as well. Next lip balm is again from Bird Bee. This is a basic lip balm in pomegranate flavor, moisturizing lip balm, 100% natural. Bird Bee's lip balm are really great. So whenever you are ordering stuff from US or you are visiting there, you must get yourself some. And I also wanted to get myself some foundation or something for my base makeup. So, but the main problem ordering makeup online is the shade problem. And when you are ordering foundation, there is a lot of confusion about the shade. So I watched so many YouTube videos to get me a right shade. And luckily, 2 things which I ordered came just right. So yes, first thing which I ordered is this foundation by Maybelline. I just love this brand. This is their Super Stay Better Skin Foundation, Skin Transforming Foundation. This is in shade Sun Beige 85. This I have tried already. The shade is just perfect. I just love it. And you know, you just get lucky when you order makeup online and you get the right shade. It's just awesome. So yes, this is the first foundation which I got for myself. And second thing which I got is this BB cream by e.l.f. This is very light, slightly light for my skin tone, but still I can make it work very easily. This is their BB cream broad spectrum. It also has SPF 20 and this is in shade, I will mention it in the description box. And second thing for my face which I got is this LA Girl Pro Concealer Corrector. I ordered this in shade orange. I wanted to try a corrector from very long time, so I just ordered this one. I've heard great reviews. These are all over YouTube. So yes, I just wanted to give it a try. Time for my favorite makeup product. You know what is my favorite makeup product? Obviously after lipstick, eyeshadows. I just love eyeshadows. eyeshadows were the first makeup product which I wanted to try when I was learning to use makeup. So, and when I saw so many great options, great colors on the website, I just went mad, you can see. So yes, I ordered quite a lot of them. First I have here are these single eyeshadows. These are from this brand Wet n Wild. I ordered these single eyeshadow in all this glittery shades. The first shade which I have here is this beautiful glittery golden shade. I just love glitter and it looks so beautiful. The shade name is Brass. These were for like $1 each. So yes, this was a great deal. So I got 3 of them. And the second shade which I have here is this beautiful pink glittery shade. The shade name is Groupie. So it's a beautiful golden shade, pink shade. I will show you the swatch. Yes, the glitter looks so beautiful. And the third shade which I have here is this purple glitter shade. The shade name is Bench. And this also looks so pretty. It's so pretty. I just love these shades. I just love glitter on my eyes. And these were the single eyeshadows which I got, and now I have 2 palettes from the same brand, Wet n Wild. It's their famous palette Comfort Zone. It has these beautiful neutral shades. Isn't it just beauty? All the shades are so pretty and the pigmentation is so good. I'm going to show you the swatches for these. Yes, these are so soft and so pigmented. These look so beautiful and the packaging is okay. I mean, for this price this is very nice. And the brush is not very good though. Okay, it just fell off. But the colors are very beautiful, very beautiful. This palette was for something $3, $2, I don't remember. Next palette which I have here is this palette by same brand, Wet n Wild. It's their poster child and the colors are so summery, so beautiful. These are very nice pastel shades. Cream, pinks, blues, sea green. Oh my god, this is so pretty. And this yellow, these two look so cool together. And they also have written brow bone, eyelid, crease, definer. So if you are a beginner, this kind of palette is really helpful to create look. And they also have given some details to how to create such particular looks. So yeah, these are very nice. And the third palette which I have here is from this brand LA Colors. This was for like very cheap, $2 something. Yes, and the colors are also very nice. The brush is not useful, but this looks so pretty. All the tones of purples, pinks and some black and grays to create very nice smoky eyes. So the shades are really beautiful. I'm going to show you some swatches. This is so pretty. And they have 3 types of black. One is glittery, one is matte and one is sheen. So yes, this is really nice. And in purple also they have some matte shades, some sheen ones also, and some are matte. So yes, it's very versatile palette also. Next thing which I have here is this blush palette by ELF, and I got this in shade dark. So it looks like this. I really like the packaging. ELF packaging is just wow. Being a drugstore brand, the packaging is just wow. And the blush palette is so pretty. I ordered this in shade dark, yes. So the colors are so beautiful, and here are the swatches. I'm going to swatch some of these. And 3 of blushes are matte and 1 is glittery. So I just like the combination, and it also has this mirror. So next thing which I have here is this cream contour palette by ELF. The packaging is same just like the blushes, and the palette also looks same just like the blushes. So yes, here are the colors. So here we have 3 shades for contouring and 1 for highlighting, and these are cream based. I have not tried any cream based contours yet, but I'm definitely very excited to try these. The shades look just perfect for my skin tone. Next thing which I have here is this contour palette by Wet n Wild. It's the Mega Glow contouring palette in shade Caramel Toffee. The shade looks little light in the swatches, but it looks perfect on my face. I've already tried it in the morning. So yes, here are the swatches. This looks so beautiful. This is powder based palette, so it's easier to work with. I just like powder based palettes. Next product which I have here is this beautiful highlighter by Wet n Wild. It's their Mega Glow highlighting powder. Everybody is raving about it on YouTube, so I finally ordered this for myself. This looks so pretty. Look at this flowery design. It's in this shade Precious Petal, and the highlighter is just bomb. Look at this swatch. It's so beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. I just can't wait to try this one. This is my favorite product from this whole, I just love everything which I ordered. So yes, this highlighter is just beautiful. The packaging is just okay, but the product and the quantity is also great. Price, I don't remember the price of this one. This was for something $4, I think, $4 or $5. So yes, still at this price, this is such a nice product. You can compare this to any high-end highlighter. So yes, it's really pretty. And now on to brushes, guys. I just love using makeup brushes. They make your makeup application so easy and effortless. But getting good quality brushes here in India is such an expensive deal. So, but when I was getting a chance to order from US, I just couldn't be happier. So first, I ordered this eye brushes combo from EcoTools. EcoTool brushes are such good quality. They were really famous for their eye brushes, so I got myself this combo. This both the ends are workable, and in both the brushes. So this end is meant for smudging, and this one is for blending, and this one is for shading, and this one is for defining. So yes, this is a great combo if you really want your eye makeup to look just pro. So yes, second brush which I got is from ELF. It's their stippling brush. This brush is traveling. I ordered the travel size one because it's so tiny, but it's so pretty. You can see the bristles are so soft and so pretty looking. More than the function, I just like the way this one looks. It's so tiny. And now finally we have here, yes guys, Real Technique. Finally I have Real Technique brushes. I wanted to try this brand from so long. I ordered this same combo from Amazon also about last year, but then I didn't like the quality. Maybe that was fake or something, I don't know. But then finally I ordered it from US, and it's here. It's so pretty looking. This combo is so versatile, so useful, and this came with this pouch, beautiful white pouch. So it's a beautiful brush holder. And so I have 3 brushes here. The one is this foundation brush. The bristles look just beautiful. And second here I have is this eyeshadow brush, and then this is a multitasking powder brush, blush brush, however you want to use this. So yes, finally I have these beautiful brushes. And now it's lipstick time, finally. I know guys, lighting is a bit different now because it's dark outside, so I have to put an extra light there. So just ignore the lighting and let's get to lipsticks now. I have here with me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 lipsticks. Don't judge me, I just love lipstick. First lipsticks which I have here are these liquid lipsticks. These are from Wet n Wild. It's their liquid catsuit lipsticks. Everybody loves these lipsticks. I have seen so many great reviews and videos about these, so I just wanted to try, so I ordered so many shades. I'm just going to tell you the shade names. The first beautiful shade is this beautiful nude shade. It's Give Me Mocha. It's a beautiful brown nude shade. Yes, and the formula is just so creamy, and the applicator is also very nice. The packaging is so sturdy. So yes, I just love this catsuit lipsticks. It's a perfect brown nude for my skin tone. I just love this one. I tried it yesterday for a shoot, and it's so pretty. It's so just pretty. These days I'm really liking nudes. Initially I used to like just oranges, reds, pinks, all vibrant colors, but now I like nude shades also. So yes, I ordered this one and I just love this color. And second shade which I have here is Nice to Fuchsia. It's a beautiful fuchsia color, and today I have it on me so you can see. It's a beautiful fuchsia color. I'm going to swatch it for you. It's very light plum kind of fuchsia, so it's really nice color. I don't know how many times I've said beautiful in this video, but guys, just bear with me. It's just excitement for makeup. Next shade which I have here is this Missy and Fierce. It's a beautiful deep red shade. I'm going to swatch it for you. See? It's a beautiful deep red shade. It's kind of a dupe for MAC's Russian Red. It's really nice for darker skin tone like me. And next shade which I have here is Berry Recognize. It's a beautiful, again beautiful. Yes, everything is beautiful. It's slightly darker than the fuchsia one. It's a darker version of Nice to Fuchsia. Both the colors are very similar, but I like this Berry Recognize more than the fuchsia one. Next two shades are gifts for my sister-in-law, so I cannot swatch it for you guys, but I'm going to tell you the shade name. The shade, first shade is very vibrant orange kind of shade. The shade name is Flame of the Game. It's very fierce orange kind of shade. And the second shade which I have here is Oh My Dolly. It's a very neon pink kind of shade. It's so, actually she's very fair, so this is gonna look very nice on her. And so these are all the shades which I have from the catsuit range. And now I have their 5 lipsticks from Wet n Wild. It's their Mega Last range, and the shade I'm going to tell you one by one. First shade which I have here is Wine Room. This I ordered for my sister. She just wanted this shade, so I got one for her and one for me as well. It kind of a nude color, but it has pink undertones, so I don't think it will look good on me, but I will definitely give it a try. So yes, next shade which I have here is In the Flash. This shade is also a nude kind of a shade. This is a lighter version of the Wine Room shade. And next shade which I have here is Smoking Hot Pink. It's a nice, perfect kind of a pink for my kind of skin tone. It's like a everyday pink for me. Next shade which I have here is Purty Persimmon or Reflect Orange. It's kind of a tomato orange kind of a shade, tomato red, orange, but I cannot open this because this is also a gift. Next lipstick which I have here is this by LA Colors. The shade name is Sweetie. It's a pink kind of a shade. I don't think this will look good on me, but it will be a good, very nice shade for lighter skin tones. It has little sheen to it. These days I'm liking only matte, so I think I'm gonna give this to someone. But it's a beautiful shade for lighter skin tones. Next lipstick which I have here is Flirty Flamingo by ELF. The shade is a bright pink kind of a shade, and this will look very good on all Indian skin tones. All the makeup which I have ordered is very affordable. Mostly I have ordered from drugstore brands because I like to experiment with makeup and I don't want to spend a lot of money on it. Next here we have this chunky lip pencil by LA Colors. This has such cute packaging, just like crayons. The color is a vibrant poppy pink kind of a shade, and the texture is really creamy of this one. But the shade is gonna wash me out, I think. There's Johan shouting from there, looking at Mama. Hello! What? What? You want to be in the video? Okay, so the texture is very creamy, but shade I think gonna wash me out. This will look good on fairer skin tones, I think, but the packaging is really cute. I think I should have ordered more color in this one. And next we have here is NYX matte lipstick in the shade natural, and this look kind of a nude color, mauve. I'm going to show you the swatch. It kind of a mauve based nude color. The texture is creamy and little bit of sheen. This can be your everyday nude color, and it's not perfect matte as I wanted it to be, but still it's good. I like the shade though. Finally we have a black lipstick, and this one is by Black Radiance brand. I don't know, I just wanted to experiment with a black lipstick. Shade is not complete jet black, it's kind of a dark grey, and texture is also creamy. I wanted it to be very matte, but it's not that matte, but it's okay. I wanted it just for some experiment. So yes guys, this is all the stuff which I ordered from US. If you like, okay. So yes guys, this is all the stuff which I got from US. I hope you enjoyed watching my haul, and if you want me to do a review of any particular product, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.